In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print calendar views in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to choose the right layout, set the right dates, and get a clean, readable printout of your schedule. Start by opening Outlook and switching to the calendar. If you use more than one calendar, like a work calendar and a personal one, make sure the specific calendar you want is selected. You can print shared or secondary calendars too, as long as they're visible in your calendar list. Next, go to File, then Print. This opens the Print Options pane, where most of the decisions happen. First, pick a print style, Calendar Details. Style produces a detailed list of your events, showing start and end times, locations, and notes. It's great when you need all the information on the page without the grid layout. Daily Style focuses on a single day per page, which is perfect for busy schedules with overlapping appointments and lots of time blocks. Weekly Agenda Style summarizes a whole week in a concise list, ideal for planning meetings at a glance. Monthly Style gives you the familiar month grid, with entries placed on each date. A solid choice for big picture planning you can pin up or share. After choosing the style, set your date range. You can quickly pick today or tomorrow for a simple daily printout. For broader planning, choose a specific week, or define a custom range if you need multiple days, weeks, or an entire month. Keep in mind that long ranges may produce multiple pages.